this video, we will show you how to disable auto download from Internet Download Manager using Google Chrome browser. Sometimes when you open the links or open the video like this, it's appear pop up from Internet Download Manager. You can see here, we can download this video, but sometimes this pop up is better for us. So we need to use IDM for manually download. To do that, you need to disable the extension of IDM. You can go to Chrome extension in the More Tools and choose extension. And in here, you can just disable by click the slider. Then you can reopen the Google Chrome. For example, I will reopen my Chrome. Now, the pop-up not appear again. So we can using Internet Download Manager for manually to download file. We can just open the IDM and we can add URL in here if we need to download some files. Hope this video helpful for you.